Listen, after you hit 50, something happens to your body. Your muscles start disappearing. Doctors call it sarcopenia. And this isn't just about looking good. We're talking about real dangers here. Falling, breaking bones, losing your independence. Building strength at this age isn't something you should do. It's something you must do. But here's what I know. Most people hate going to the gym. And when they try exercising at home without help, guess what happens? They get hurt. They fall. The very thing they're trying to prevent becomes the thing that happens. So today, I'm showing you 7 exercises that use just one thing: a wall. That's it. A wall gives you safety, stability, and zero fear of falling. No gym membership, no expensive equipment, no excuses. Before we start, do me a favor. Drop a comment with your name and where you're watching from. I genuinely want to know who's out there getting stronger with me. Exercise 7. Wall march. This one's a game changer for balance and coordination. It fires up your core, strengthens your legs, gets your heart pumping without beating up your joints, and fixes your posture. For anyone over 50, this is gold because you're working on strength and balance at the same time. You're activating your hip flexors, quads, abs, glutes, calves. Everything's working together. Here's how you do it. Stand facing the wall, about 1 step away. Put your hands on the wall at shoulder height, arms straight. Keep your body in a straight line, leaning slightly forward. Now march in place, bringing your knees up toward your chest one at a time. Keep your hands planted on that wall and your core tight the whole time. Watch out for these mistakes. Don't lean too far forward. Don't round your back. Don't rush through it. And don't let your arms bend. Stay tall. Move with control. Quality over speed always. Do 2 to 3 sets of 20 to 30 total reps. That's 10 to 15 per leg. Or if you prefer, just march for 30 to 60 seconds. Rest 30 seconds between sets. Keep your breathing smooth and your rhythm steady. Now, if you have serious balance issues, high blood pressure that's not under control, or heart problems, talk to your doctor first. And if your hips or knees are screaming at you, take it easy or reduce how high you lift your knees. Number 6, wall angel. This exercise is absolutely brilliant for fixing your posture. Years of sitting hunched over, this reverses that. It strengthens your upper back, opens up your shoulders, and melts away neck and upper back tension. If you've spent decades at a desk, this is your remedy. You're working your mid and lower traps, rhomboids, rotator cuff, rear delts, and all those muscles that hold your shoulder blades in place. At the same time, you're stretching out those tight chest muscles that pull you forward. Stand with your back to the wall, fit about 4 to 6 inches away from it. Press your head, shoulders, and lower back against the wall. Keep that natural curve in your spine. Raise your arms like you're making a goalpost, elbows bent at 90 degrees at shoulder height. Now slowly slide your arms up the wall, keeping everything in contact. Then bring them back down with control. Feel those back muscles working. Common mistakes. Don't arch your lower back trying to compensate. Don't let your elbows or wrists come off the wall. Don't rush it. And don't force your arms higher than they can comfortably go. If it hurts, back off. Progress takes time. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 slow reps. Each movement should take about 4 seconds. Rest 30 to 45 seconds between sets. You'll know it's working when you feel those muscles between your shoulder blades burning. If you've got rotator cuff injuries, previous shoulder dislocations, or sharp shoulder pain, start small. Maybe talk to a physical therapist before pushing harder. Number 5, wall plank. This one strengthens your entire core, those deep abs that protect your spine. It improves trunk stability, which you need for literally everything you do. It works your arms and shoulders without wrecking your joints. It prevents lower back pain by building up the muscles that support your spine. And it's way safer than a regular floor plank, especially after 50. You're hitting your rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, obliques, lower back stabilizers, shoulders, triceps, chest, and more. This creates functional strength you'll use every single day. Face the wall, about an arm's length away. Put your palms on the wall at shoulder width, fingers pointing up. Step back so your body forms a straight line from your heels to your head like a board. Contract your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Look at the wall. Hold this position and breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. Mistakes to avoid. Don't let your hips sag or stick up. Don't arch or round your spine. Don't hold your breath, it spikes your blood pressure dangerously. Don't stand too close or too far from the wall, and don't relax your ABs. Imagine pulling your belly button to your spine the whole time. Hold for 20 to 60 seconds, whatever you can handle. Rest 30 to 45 seconds. Do 2 to 4 sets, and increase your time as you get stronger. If you have serious shoulder problems, carpal tunnel, or very high blood pressure, be careful. And if you have an abdominal hernia, skip this, or only do it with medical supervision. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button. Staying connected to science-based information is what keeps you progressing long-term. Don't miss out. Number 4. Wall squat. This is one of the most powerful leg exercises you can do without any impact. It builds muscle endurance in your quads, strengthens your glutes and hamstrings, stabilizes your knees, increases bone density in your legs and hips, and prepares your body for real life, getting up from chairs, climbing stairs, walking without getting tired. These are the skills that keep you independent after 50. You're working your quads hard, your glutes the biggest muscle in your body, your hamstrings, inner thighs, calves, and your core is holding you stable the whole time. Press your back completely against the wall. Spread your feet hip-width apart and step forward so your feet are about 12 to 20 inches from the wall. Slide down until your knees are at 90 degrees or as close as you can comfortably get, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your back flat against the wall with that natural curve. Arms relaxed at your sides or crossed over your chest. Hold it and breathe deeply. Don't let your knees go past your toes, that stresses the joint. Don't take your back off the wall. Don't hold your breath. Don't drop down too fast. And don't force yourself too low if your knees hurt. Start higher and work your way down as you get stronger. Hold for 15 to 45 seconds at first. Rest 45 to 60 seconds for full recovery. Do 2 to 4 sets, gradually increasing your time. That burning in your quads, totally normal. That's the work happening. If you have serious knee problems, meniscus injuries, severe arthritis, or sharp kneecap pain, avoid this or keep the angle small. And if you have spine issues, make sure your back stays glued to that wall the whole time. Number 3, wall push-up. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms safely. It improves functional pushing strength. It works your core for stability. It maintains bone density in your arms and shoulders, fighting osteoporosis. And it gives you all the benefits of regular push-ups without destroying your wrists, elbows, and shoulders that might already be worn down. You're activating your pecs, front delts, triceps, serratus anterior for shoulder, blade health, and your core and stabilizers to keep your posture right. Stand facing the wall about an arm's length away. Place your hands on the wall a bit wider than shoulder width at chest height. Feet hip width apart for a stable base. Keep your body straight from heels to head. Don't break at the hip. Bend your elbows, bringing your chest toward the wall. Keep your elbows at about 45 degrees from your body, not flared way out. Push back to the start in a controlled way, feeling your chest work. Mistakes. Don't let your elbows flare too wide. Don't arch or round your spine. Don't just move your upper body while your hips stay back. Don't descend or push too fast. You need that time under tension for muscle growth. And don't cheat the range. Bring your nose close to the wall. Do 2 to 4 sets of 10 to 20 controlled reps. Rest 45 to 60 seconds between sets. If it gets too easy, step further back to make it harder. If you have shoulder injuries, tendonitis, rotator cuff issues, or wrist pain, be cautious. Start with smaller range of motion and see a professional if you feel pain during or after. Number 2, legs up the wall. This is a restorative gem. It improves blood circulation in your legs, reduces swelling and that heavy leg feeling, relieves lower back tension, promotes deep relaxation, and drops your cortisol, helps lower blood pressure, improves lymphatic drainage, and it's perfect for anyone over 50 dealing with poor circulation, varicose veins, or spending all day standing or sitting. Your leg muscles work passively through gentle stretching. Your hamstrings and calves, which act like a second heart, pumping blood back up, get to relax. Your cardiovascular system works differently, making it easier to get blood from your legs back to your heart. Sit sideways next to the wall with your hip closed. Lie down on your back while rotating and raising your legs up the wall in one smooth motion. Adjust so your butt is as close to the wall as possible, but it doesn't have to touch if your hamstrings are too tight. Keep your legs relaxed and extended upward against the wall. Arms at your sides, palms up, or on your belly. Breathe deeply and slowly through your nose. Let every muscle relax completely. Don't force your butt too close if it's uncomfortable. Don't keep your legs tense, relax them. Don't hold your breath, breathe deeply, and use a cushion or pillow under your lower back if you need it. This should feel like active meditation. Completely comfortable. Hold this for 5 to 15 minutes, breathing normally, sinking deeper into relaxation. Do this once or twice a day, especially at night, to improve sleep and recovery. This can dramatically reduce fluid retention in your legs. If you have glaucoma, retinal detachment, uncontrolled high blood pressure, severe hiatal hernia, or you're in the first days of menstruation, skip this or talk to your doctor. If your hamstrings are really tight, move a bit further from the wall or bend your knees slightly. Number 1, wall calf stretch. This is fundamental for relieving all that tension built up in your calves after years of use. It improves ankle flexibility so you can walk without tripping, reduces injury risk like Achilles tendonitis, relieve foot pain and plantar fasciitis, improves leg circulation, and prepares your body for other exercises. After 50, calves get stiff and shortened, limiting your mobility. This fixes that. You're stretching your gastrocnemius and soleus, the muscles that form your calf and pump blood back to your heart. You're stretching your Achilles tendon, connecting these muscles to your heel, and you're loosening up the muscles in your foot, improving ankle mobility for better balance. Stand facing the wall with good posture. Hands on the wall at chest height for support. Take a big step back with one leg, keeping it completely straight. Plant that heel firmly on the floor, don't let it lift. Front leg slightly bent for stability. Lean forward, pressing your hip toward the wall until you feel a good stretch in the back calf. Keep both feet pointing straight forward. Don't lift your heel off the floor. Don't let your back foot turn out, keep it straight. Don't arch your lower back, lean from the ankles, staying aligned. Don't force it to the point of pain, just comfortable tension. And to hit the deeper soleus muscle, repeat the stretch with your back knee slightly bent. Hold each stretch for 30 to 45 seconds, breathing normally. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each leg, alternating. Do this daily, preferably after exercise or at the end of the day when your muscles are warm and receptive. If you have a ruptured or acutely injured Achilles tendon, severe tendonitis, or sharp calf pain, avoid this until you've recovered. And if you have balance issues, do this near a corner for extra support. If you love this and want to know what creatine does to your body after 50, the good and the bad, we've got a video for you appearing on screen right now. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching all the way through, my friend. May God bless you.